Hello, everyone. We are keeping it simple Sunday challenge. I bought this at Joann Fabrics. It was on the clearance area, and I had to have it. It was actually a really large area, and I was trying to figure out what to put on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it into a purple fading ombre look. So that way, whatever I put in the top, it will make it just look like it's supposed to be there. So I'm going to go and look for a poem that has to do with butterflies that will actually complement and make this look beautiful. So, because butterflies are close to your heart and they also remind you of things that happen in your life. So, to me, I just wanted to find a great poem that had a lot of words and meant something to a lot of people. So I did find one, and here it is. So I have this poem. You can't see it, it's in reverse. It is Butterfly Kisses by John Connor. And we are going to put it on here. Doing decoupage and then rubbing it all away. I'm hoping that'll work. I've never done this technique, so this is new for me. Alright, so I had to redo it because the paper wouldn't come off and it was taking off the lettering, so that was not a good situation. So I had to redo everything and repaint it, sand it down. And I didn't want to have you guys seeing all that, so I literally just sped it up and cut it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate this from here. This is parchment paper copied on a laser printer. And we will see how this works. I'm hoping. Because I really want to get this done. I'm going to put tape down because I don't want to move around. And I did print off an extra copy of this just in case I had to. Just in case I have to double it up, which I hope I don't. I've already put the Mod Podge back on top of it. So now I am heating up the iron. To do this. So we'll see what happens, okay? Alright. I'm also gonna put this down also, so that way I can do this all in one quick motion. It's still heating up, so we gotta wait. The reason I am not putting my iron on the actual parchment paper is because I'm afraid of getting the glue on the iron surface. So, good way to
not damage the iron. You know, yeah, we could buy another one, but technically I don't like doing that kind of stuff. I don't want to buy something, and I'm going to do this part first, and then I am going to lift it, lift the, oops, almost got my finger. Okay, let's put that there for a second. Let's lift this up, and it didn't do very well at all. I can see that already. Looks like I'm gonna have to touch up a little bit, but like it's really light in certain areas. And to make it dark, I'm gonna have to do some touch-up paint, which is okay. I mean, I'm going to print it off, and that way I can touch it up, and you can see there's like lots of areas that there's no lettering, but it looks fairly good. I'm going to get out my really fine paint brushes for when I do miniatures and start filling in all these areas that have missing ink. It's going to take some time, and I'm not going to let you guys you know, be part of it. I'm just going to let you watch me paint, but I'm just going to speed it up through the video, okay? Just so that way you know what's going on. Alright, I'm going to get my paint and stuff.
Keeping It Simple Sunday with Melissa Makes It DIY, her co-host, Simple Roots and Simple Living. Please share, like, subscribe, and watch everyone on the playlist. I'm going to play some music and do some touch-up painting.
So I finally got it all painted. You can see that it's done pretty well. So it took a long time. I couldn't sit in the chair and do it. I had to sit in my office on my desk just to get in there at that details. It looks good. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. We're gonna shimmer it with some glitter or something like that, just to give it a little bit of a oomph. Then I have some really cute little things to add. We got butterflies. And we're gonna add them on it. So that'll make it look really pretty too. But I want a little bit of shimmer. I don't know what it is. I got old or something because I just love glitter. I don't know why. Just do. I want the dust. And I want to seal it, so that's the major reason for doing this.
I had to leave Alva because I didn't have the stomach to drag him in the cab with me. And there was no way I was opening that truck door. I figured if Ramirez woke up, Joe would have...
I want to thank you guys for coming with me on this journey of making this DIY. It was a lot of a challenge just to get it done, but I'm very thankful that I'm still able to add it to the playlist because I was running late. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Melissa. Keep it simple Sunday, everyone. Please share and like our playlists and watch everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great Sunday. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll